Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jenny Vlog. You're welcome back again to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys, we are going to be cooking banga soup today. So I am going to be showing you guys how I prepare my banga soup. So in case you are new here, welcome back again. Do not forget to like this video, leave comment by the comment section below, and also help me to subscribe here, So let's go straight to the video without not wasting much of your time. Thank you for all your love, thank you for supporting me, thank you for subscribing to my channel. In case you haven't subscribed, please, you just come across to this video, please help your guys to subscribe to this channel. You are going to be seeing more of me and my family, and also see some other things, because I do show everything on this channel. It's not just for one particular stuff. Let me introduce the stuff to you. This is the pot that I'm going to use to cook our stuff, our soup. So these are all the things that I'm going to use, So this is it. So I am going to use these onions to boil meat. So this is 2 scotch bonnet pepper, Maggi cube, and chicken jobo stock. So I'm going to be using this stuff to cook. This is it. I normally use this stuff. It's almost finished, but we are going to still use it. So this is the meat that I'm going to use. So this is chicken and beef, cow beef. So this is the banga that I'm going to use. So this is the banga, paste. It's banga paste. So this is the one we have here, So this paste product is very nice. I'm not doing advert, so this is what I use. I'm just showing you guys, So this is it. And then I'm also going to show you how I use it. I don't just put it inside my soup, then I'll start cooking. There's how I do it to sieve out those sand. Sometimes you used to see those sand in. I'll show you guys how I remove it. So this is the fish that I'm going to use. So first thing that I'm going to do now, I am going to boil my meat. So I'm going to add a bit of water. So I'm going to add salt to it, Maggi cube. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon, 1.5. Then it's time to add in our onions. So then cover it to cook, So this is the pot that I'm going to use to boil our banga, because I normally like to boil it first before using it, because of those excess sand. Sometimes you used to see sand under of it, So what I normally do to avoid those sand, so I'll first cook it first. That you are going to see some particles inside, those sand and sand, mostly sand. You are going to see sand in, so this is how I avoid this stuff, So guys, this is it. So as I'm turning it, I can feel some sand at the bottom. There's some sand there. So this is how to avoid those sand, So see you guys later when it's ready. I just turned on my gas now. So while the meat is here boiling, So guys, this is how do they call this? A pepper soup spices. So I normally like to use pepper soup spices to cook my banga. It gives it extra flavor, So if you haven't tried it, so try with this pepper soup spicy. It's very nice, And also this is scent leaf. So this is scent leaf, so you can use any types of leaves you want to use. You can use okazi or those stuff, you know. I'm not used to that, so scent leaf is very good, you know. So I like to hear that scent leaf odor, you know. So I normally like to use a scent leaf to cook my soup, you know. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing now, I am going to blend my pepper, you know, and these onions also. So guys, I am making use of this 2 scotch bonnet pepper in case it doesn't reach. If it's not enough, so I will add dried pepper that I blend. So I'm going to blend it. See you guys later. I'm going to be using this crayfish also. So this is the pepper that I blend. So let's dive into the video. So guys, it's time to check on our meat. I'm going to add in our fish. Our banga is almost ready. Can you guys see it? So this is it. So it's time to add in our banga. This is our melted banga, so it has melted. So I'm going to be turning it in. So can you see the under? Can you see it? So I am going to be throwing this one away. So the next thing to add now is our pepper soup spices, you know. So that one is enough. I'm going to cover it to boil before adding the rest things, you know, 5 to 8 minutes. No. So guys, it's time to add in our blended pepper, you know. Crayfish. So guys, it's time to check on our soup. It's almost ready. So I'm going to add in my scent leaf. It's a fresh scent leaf, so I just put it inside my freezer, you know. So whenever I want to use it, I'll just go there and take some, then I slice it, then I put it inside my soup. Don't want the leaf to be too much. In more scent leaf because the one I added before was not enough, so I'm adding more scent leaf to it. Let's test. Yeah. So the pepper is not enough, so I'm going to be adding this blended pepper to it, you know. That one is okay. Close to cook. It's time to check. Me on my fluffy mat. So I'm going to be leaving it for like, soup will be ready in 2 minutes time, so stay tuned. I've reduced my gas also. So our soup is ready. So guys, this is our soup, it's ready. So I am going to be hey, can you guys see it? So this is it, it's ready. So now it's time to turn off our gas, you know. I've turned it off, so this is it. So I have to remove it here. Bye, the soup is ready. So subscribe to this channel, help your girl to subscribe, you know, help me to be sharing my video. Stay safe, bye bye.